Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium database question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. So let me show you how I did it. This question is called running total for different genders. It's number 1308. So basically what they're asking you to do is to write a solution to find the total score for each gender on each day. So if you look at this chart, you'll notice that first of all, we want to isolate by female and then male. And then within female, we just want to sort by the date. And then after that, we can get the cumulative sum of the points. So let's go ahead and create a dictionary called females, femd, and refresh the page, the return key. Hopefully they can fix that bug, but either way. So for IS in enumerate scores, we're going to loop through and we're going to take care of the females. So gender, if S is equal to female, then we can say femd of, let's say, S. We're going to append the day, the score points, and the player name. So the day is just going to be day of I, and that's going to be the one we're sorting by. So then we're going to say scores, score points of I, and scores, player name of I. Okay, so femd of S dot sort. And looking at this chart again, we probably don't even need this because we're just sorting by this. And we only care about the score, so let's get rid of this. And otherwise, we're going to do the same thing for the males. So let's call this men, default dict of list. Otherwise, men of S dot append, same thing, scores, day of I, and then scores, score, points of I. Okay, so obviously we need to sort this one by the date as well. Cool. So now let's say let's print F and this. Okay, so now 17 plus 23 is 40, and then plus another 17 is 57, and then plus 23 is 80, so that lines up, it looks correct. So let's call this female total, F total, and for A and F, let's call this femd of F. So then F tot plus equals to A of -1. And let's go ahead and print the, so we want the date. Let's go ahead and print F, and then the date is going to be A of 0, and then the total is going to be F tot. Let's run this. Okay, cool. So now we got all the females taken care of, and we're going to do the same thing for the men. So for M in men, for A in men M, men tot plus equals to A of -1, and we're going to print M. Same thing, A of 0, because the structure is the exact same. The way we defined it is in the same order. Okay, so men tot. Cool. So looks like we just have our solution. So let's go ahead and say answer, create the 3 columns. So answer.append F. Let's actually make this a string of A of 0 dot split of 0 because we don't want this part. And then let's go ahead and append F tot, and we're going to do the same thing with the men's dictionary. Of 0 and then men tot. And then last but not least, we have to sort by gender and day. So by the, well, the day is already sorted. So let's actually just print our answer list to see. Okay. Okay, cool. So that looks correct. So we're just going to go ahead and create our 3 columns. Append A2, so that's total, gender day total, 1, 2, 3, and then create a data frame, gender equals to 1, total equals to 3. Okay, and then let's go ahead and return this data frame. Let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it on my own. So, yep, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.